how to show you my experience in 3D. So what I did is I put a deflector at each panel corner and added what's called a spray. And what happens when you play, it shows a deflection on the spray on the surfaces and powers the so you can actually go in and the spray and change the drop size and how many droplets you want, basically simulating the flow rate. There's a deflector um, on the wheel itself, so it hits um, each bucket, if you want to call it. I don't know the buckets in there yet, but just trying to keep it simple first. That's the flow, and the flow can extend. You can extend the flow for quite a while. You can actually go in and change the life so that it's higher. And if you add gravity, it brings it down. So then it'll go on the surface of the. When it hits, let's go on the camera mode just to show you. And it's hitting each one of those deflectors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the other deflectors just to show how it works here. Let me pause the camera for a minute. So if you look, we've got deflectors on the buckets, pretty exaggerated. The water splashing around on these deflectors used for simulate. So you can go in and each one of these deflectors, they're called S-Omni deflectors. You can go to the properties, each one of those, and change the bounce. Anyways, it's kind of cool. This is the water flow.